This is Lake Koka. It was once the source of clean and fresh water for the thousands who live around it. But today, it's highly polluted and carpeted in toxic algae.
Makida, Kadiri, Tairi, Sultani, Qasimi, Nausha, Khalid.
These are the names of the 6 children Amina has lost. She and thousands of others in the Amude community rely solely on Lake Koka for their drinking water. She believes it's the lake that's killing them.
I gave birth to 9 children. 6 of them died. 3 survived. My husband also died. I have lost 7 members of my family. They were all vomiting and had diarrhea with blood in it. We visited a health center and were told the problem was associated with water. I feel sad about my dead children. I lie awake at night thinking of them. I now worry whether my remaining children will survive. I don't even know if I will survive. Except for God, we have no hope.
The transformation of Lake Koka began in 1957 with the damming of the Awash River to create a hydroelectric power plant. Since then, a number of polluting factories and flower farms have sprung up around the lake and along the tributaries of the Awash, a process that has dramatically increased over the last 10 years.
The main problem here is the water. People are getting sick. Everyone around here uses this water. There is no other water. Almost 17,000 people use this water. They come from 10 kilometers away and use this water. The water smells. Even if you boil it, it doesn't change the color. It's hard to drink. Even if you are thirsty, it smells.